What's up, my YouTube friends? Hey, it's Reminder Wednesday for questions from the truck. I hope you're having a good week. If you guys have any model railroad related, or woodworking questions, put them in the comments below and I will do my best to get you answers. I always do. Hey, I'll see you next Sunday. Meanwhile, enjoy this train. See ya! It's a work train. Check out some of this work equipment. So they're doing track repair all along here. Replacing track, replacing switches. A lot of equipment.